For our veterans that are here, but mostly for the veterans that are not here. Throughout the year, we celebrate a lot of holidays. Holidays have different meanings for each of us. As you know, cruising the Wilts or Pist Road Cruisers, we have a special place in our hearts for our veterans and our military. Memorial Day is not about those currently serving. That's Armed Forces Day. Today is not about all who have served. That's Veterans Day. We are honored to enjoy the company of many who have served, many among us. Sitting before us today are as veterans, the living testimonies of life. Those that came home and their friends that didn't. Today's Memorial Day, the most expensive holiday of the year. As you have these noticed, it's every hot dog, every hamburger, every cookout, every drink with friends and family. Every car cruise is a debt purchased by them, our fallen officers, our fallen soldiers. Today is about honoring millions of brave heroes who gave their lives for our country. Those who paid in life and blood and never came home. The Gold Star family whose moms will never see their sons and daughters, whose dads wept in private, whose husbands and wives raised their children alone, whose children will remember their mom and dad from a distant memory or pictures. This isn't simply a day off. Today's Memorial Day. Every Memorial Day is a day to remember that others paid for every breath we take, because freedom is not free. As we take a moment to remember our fallen soldiers, please remove your hats, stand proud to be an American, as we honor our country, our flag, and our veterans as Samantha Tock sings our national anthem, followed by Bill Miles on taps.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the
Thank you, Samantha, and thank you, Bill. Thanks, everyone, for coming out tonight. Just a couple announcements. We do have a big birthday today. That's Dan the DJ, Dan Marinola, sits in under the red tent. Doesn't want to be recognized, but stop by, shake his hand with Dan a happy birthday. Thank you. I'd like to invite you out next week. It's a William Err Memorial Cruise. Those that know Mr. Err, he bought this building from the city in 1978. Him and his family, his business, and other associates rebuilt the property to see what we have today. And Mr. passed away last year, and certainly remembered. So we're going to do a little special thing from next week, so come out and enjoy that night with us as well. I think that's all I have. Thanks for coming out tonight, everyone. The veterans still have food left. I see some heads shaking. Yes, they got a lot of food left. Help them out. We got fatty beer, Planters chocolate as well. Oh, fried bologna tonight, the flat hot dog. Perfect. All right, thanks, everyone. No burnouts.
All good, Mr. Kyle?
Because someone's watching.
Take care, buddy.
That's what I told her, the 5 I